So of course I want to get in a brushing session, the wave check, and eventually what my brushing sessions look like.
Entertaining, family-friendly vlogs, boating, fishing, crab hunting, popular, traditional and mystical tourist spots. This is Jamaica Real Life. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Spinning. The last time I did my hair, I used a comb and lifted everything up. But this time around I want to just go directly to the hard brush and start working away. I'm going to just go light on the hair oil since I'm going to be washing this tomorrow. About this amount, and I spread it. Just get it in my palm. Or I could get some onto the crown. Let it become more malleable. So let's go straight into this. Some people may call a spot a bald spot, but no, it's not. If you move it around, it's clearly not a bald spot, it is simply the crown. Okay, lift it right here. Alright, and what you look at that is the wolf. As you can see, my hair is being laid down from like a minute after. Getting a haircut tomorrow because I don't want to let my hair stay like this. And I'll transition to the medium brush. Now continuing with my medium brush, don't mind the back. I put on a bunch of stickers onto it when I was machine gun. And be sure to hit the crown whenever you're doing the brush strokes, because I was making a mistake of not hitting the crown just now. Why plastic bag even after using the soft brush? To be honest, I don't really know how it works. It might be static, it might be that it's just smooth and it like forces the ear down into other ears and let it hold better. I'm not sure. There gotta be some science behind it. Look at the depth of the waves, look at that. But in the mirror, it looks really great. But the right way to use this is to have this side and the outside part with the strings and all that. Got the flat area on the inside. Then you just pull it directly onto your ear and pull it as firm as possible in all different angles. And you start folding it up and it kind of pinch it a bit. So I don't know if it's because of the brand, which is like an unbranded one that I got. Mine is a bit difficult to fold it up and pinch it like this. Keep doing it around until it folds up the way I want it to fold up. That's it for the wave cap. Drop on this door rag. Like to get that just below where the wave cap is. That's where I like to put my door rag. And carry it around. First, then I tug and secure all different angles. And tighten this some more. Not too tight because you don't want to get the dates from this. Do it to your liking. Catch this with the flap at the back. Apply pressure right here and tug. That applies even more compression and leaves you with a nice snug fit. Now if you want to, you can do like what a lot of other persons like to do and just roll up the tail. And tights. But I'm personally not one of those persons who like to tie it like that, so I'll just leave it on me. Yeah, and that's it. That's what my brushing session looks like. Using the comb, hard brush, medium brush, and of course the small, not the small brush, the soft brush. You're going to need a plastic bag if you truly want to lay down a pattern. And that's just about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Hopefully a vlog next time, but this is sort of like a vlog, right? This is a vlog because I'm just showing my hair routine, so yeah, it's a vlog. So hopefully I'll see you guys on a traveling vlog, to be specific. So see you next time. Keeping it real. This is Jamaica Real Life. We're out.